Uganda is set to host the African Union Extraordinary Summit on the Agriculture from the January 9th to 11th, 2025 in Munyonyo, Kampala. This landmark event is expected to bring together over 2,000 participants, including the 49 African heads of the state, to discuss the sustainable agriculture and endorse Africa's agri-food system, 10-year strategy and action plan.
On 9th January 2025, there will be a meeting of ministers responsible for agriculture who will attend with other invited relevant technical experts. On 10th January 2025, there will be a meeting of ministers of foreign affairs with the ministers in charge of agriculture of the African Union. It will be climaxed by a meeting on 11th January 2025 of the Extraordinary Summit of Heads of State and Government. The theme of both the CAADP Strategy and Action Plan 2026-2035 and the Assembly is sustainable and resilient agri-food systems for a healthy and prosperous Africa.
According to the Commissioner for the Crop Protection in Uganda, who represented the Permanent Secretary, noted that the summit will focus on adopting the comprehensive Africa Agriculture Development Program Strategy and Action Plan for the 2026 to 2035. This will set in motion a 10-year agenda for the building strong and resilient Africa's agri-food system on the continent for the agricultural growth, transformation and the improved livelihoods across the continent.
Food and nutrition security. Here, we are to examine approaches to improve food security and nutrition with a focus on ensuring access to safe, nutritious, and affordable food, thereby enhancing the health and well-being of our African populations and the world. The fourth is advancing inclusivity and equitable livelihoods. Here, we are to emphasize inclusivity in agricultural development, particularly for women, for the youths, and other marginalized groups, including the disabled, and the others, to ensure they benefit from the growth of agri-food systems. The fifth is build resilient agri-food systems. Here we are to address strategies to address resilience in agri-food systems, preparing them for climate change and other shocks to ensure sustainability and continuity.
However, this summit is said to be a beneficiary for all Ugandans, mostly in boosting the agriculture sector.
The people who have visited, they are not going away without visiting some of our places. Tourism. Already, as we sat here, ladies and gentlemen, we were informed that one of the honorable ministers has communicated that he would like to visit some of our livestock farms.
The comprehensive Africa Agriculture Development Program has been crucial in driving agriculture transformation across Africa since its inception in 2003.